It's cold and wet. Nice rainy morning in the Carpathians, which was actually very pleasant after yesterday, after the heat. So we're enjoying a nice rainy, kind of like almost Washington State rain this morning. Just got ourselves some fresh milk. It's still warm. Had to come down the hill here to the neighbors. Their barn and their house is connected, if you can see there. Interesting way that they do that. All right, back up the hill. And time for breakfast. Come on, kids, let's go. Let's go, come on. I want to spend all day here. I want to eat breakfast. This is something we don't have in the city. Enjoying the fire?
It's my dream to have a fireplace. And so far we've only had fireplace on the big screen TV. We would put a footage of fire burning, and that was the only fireplace that I could have.
So why is it that you can stare at a fire longer than you can stare at a TV screen? So the temperature dropped from like, I don't know, it was like 28, 30 yesterday down to, what is that, 12 degrees centigrade. Figure that out what it is in Fahrenheit. But it is much cooler. And what do you think, Noel? Are you cold?
Yes.
And look at this. Look at those clouds. It just makes you want to drink coffee and relax. But we found something else to do. Kids are playing ping pong, so let's go check on them. Alright, who's winning? Okay, who's gonna play me? Who is gonna play me? You're gonna play me? Okay, you guys, get the dog out. Get the dog out. Hey. Shh. Shoot. Out. Finally getting outside today. The rain has sort of died down. There's a few drops. These are cows, free range cows grazing here. And we're gonna go down across the river, see if we can find, there's a little cafe down there. Get a little something to eat down there. Kind of chilly though. Believe it or not, I actually drove our van up this hill when we got here. It was dry. It would be impossible today, as wet as it is, but somehow we made it up. I didn't want to have to haul all the luggage up by hand, so I made it up, and then I knew to get the van down before it got wet, so we parked it down below yesterday. And because now for sure the van would not be able to go up and down this hill. It's pretty steep, very rocky, lots of mud, and you need a four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive, I think, would be able to get up today. A good like a Neva or something, Russian four-wheel drive, but not our van. Hi, cow. Are you happy? Nicholas, I think that's why you need to hold my hand. What happened? Hey, I think you need to hold my hand, okay?
Things happen when you don't hold on to Papa's hand. So this is how it gets done here. No, just gonna dip him in the grass.
She's just gonna drag you along the grass.
Yeah. Let's do
How
that.
about we go to the cow and have the cow
Lick
rub
you.
up against, lick you? Yeah, there you go.
What do you think? That'd be
Cow
fun?
just lick you clean.
Oh, the cat can do that. I think we need to pour milk on it.
Look, this looking better, huh?
The kids
I
going.
am not as optimistic as you are. This is totally making it to the vlog. This is our Jemima puddle duck.
This is pretty cool. A lot of the houses here have this kind of metal work, like aluminum, with these pressed designs on it. And I'll probably, when we get a chance, I'll show you some of the Orthodox and Catholic churches here, because they also have some of those similar designs on them, or they use the tin or aluminum, whatever it is, and they cover the whole churches with those things. So it's pretty cool.
A little snail. He's little, and we're our mama and papa's. So it's looking at me because it likes me. Hey, get that out. Oh, baby, get that out right now. Let go right now. So you get a hard spanking again.